ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण, पेज नंबर 448, 447. At the end we saw Charvak Darshana is introduced. Charvak Darshan says Sanghata itself is Bhokta. Nanu Sanghata eva astu Bhokta. Kim Vyatirikta Kalpanaya. Siddhanti says Na. Apeshane Vishesha Darshanat. Apeshanam means to shake. How? यदि ही प्राण शरीर संघात मात्रो भोक्ता स्यात् in भाष्य, then if prana sharira sanghata means pranena sahita sharira sanghata is bhokta, then sanghat matra avisheshat, prana is also part of that same sanghata, tada apishtasya anapishtasya cha pratibodhe vishesho na syat. Whether it is apishta sanghata or anapishta sanghata, there is no bheda. What does that mean? See in Tika. प्राणेन सहितम स्थूलम शरीरम एव संघातस तन्मात्रो यदि भोक्ता स्यात् इति योजना। प्राणेन सहितम स्थूल शरीरम, दिस इज द संघात, दैट इटसेल्फ इज भोक्ता, मीन्स देयर इज नो अदर भोक्ता, देयर इज नो अदर चैतन्य, दिस इटसेल्फ इज चैतन्य। देन आपिष्ट अनापिष्ट, देयर इज नो भेद. Then how there is a vishesha or bheda, that he explains. Then we will understand what he means by the previous statement. त्वत्पक्षे अपि कथम पेषणापेषणयोर उत्थाने विशेष स्यात्, पूर्व पक्षी is asking. How in your case there is a bheda when it comes to utthanam, peshana or apeshana? So what we should understand, if there is an experiencer different from sanghata, which is going to be like sanghata is always for parartha. All the sanghata avayavas, which are called samhatas, samhata padarthas, they create sanghata. It is not for one of them or all of them. It is for something other than that sanghata. So sanghata vyatirikta, if there is a bhokta, then what will happen? Sanghata vyatirikte tu punar bhoktari संघात संबंध विशेष अनेकत्वात् पेषणापेषण कृत वेदनायाः सुख दुख मोह मध्यम अधम उत्तम कर्म फल भेदो भेद उपपत्तेश्च विशेषो युक्तो न तो संघात मात्रे संबंध कर्म फल भेद अनुपपत्तेर विशेषो युक्त. If संघात व्यतिरिक्त भोक्ता is there, then karma phala concept will come. According to Charvak Darshana, karma phala outside of what is drishya, they don't accept any karma phala because there is no other jiva whose adrishta is there, prarabdha, some karma will come, etc., etc. If you accept sanghat vyatirikta bhokta, means experiencer here, who is Chaitanya? Bhokta word has been always consistently used as Chaitanya. So here some Chaitanya which is other than this Jada Sanghata. Then Sanghat Sambandha Vishesha. Sanghat Sambandha Vishesha Anekatvat. Now there are many possibilities are there of the Sanghata Sambandha. Vishesha Anekatvat. Peshana Apeshana Krita Vedanayaha. This Peshana Apeshana Krita Vedanam means Jnanam. Vedanayaha, 10 number tippani, 6 number tippani, 6 number Sukhadi Pramaya. Same is given in 10 number also. Sukha, Dukha, Moha. Then Madhyama, Adhama, Uttama, Karma Phala. This Karma Phala Bheda will come, and therefore Sanghata is going through different experiences. Experiencer of that is this Bhokta. Sanghata Vyatirikta. Sukha, Dukha, Moha. Madhyama, Adhama, Uttama. कर्म फल भेद उपपत्ते. दिस इज पॉसिबल. सिटी का तस्य संघातेन संबंध विशेषाः स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्वात् स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्व आत्मीयत्व स्वप्राण परिपाल्यत्व आदयः. स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्व आत्मीयत्व स्वप्राण परिपाल्यत्व आदयः तेषाम् अनेकत्व two takaras are not needed. अनेकत्व पेषणा पेषणयोर इंद्रिय उद्भव अभिभव भ अभिभवकृत वेदनायाः स्फुटत्व अस्फुटत्वात्मको विशेषो युक्तः. स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्व संघात will have sambandha vishesha which is swakarma arabhya, means all that arising from one's own karma, because now you are accepting somebody else who has the karmas associated, is responsible for all the karmas, etc. Swakarma arabhyatva. Atmiyatva, because that is where Atma is now. Atma now belongs to, means Atmatva will belong to that Bhokta, not Sanghata. Right? Swaprana Paripalyatva. Swaprana Paripalyatvam will come. Adaya. Tesham Anekatva Peshana Peshanayoho Indriyodbhava Abhibhava Krita. So, for all these Sambandha Vishesha, Peshana Apeshanayoho, this shaking or not shaking, इंद्रिय उद्भव अभिभव कृत वेदनायाः arising from indriya udbhava abhibhava means their setting, udbhava means arising, udbhava abhibhava krita वेदनायाः स्फुटत्वात् और स्फुटत्व अस्फुटत्वात्मको विशेषो. Sometimes it is very clear in rising, sometimes in setting, sometimes it is not clear. So such vishesha will be there. Vishesho yukta. Sukha dukha moha. Sukha dukha moha, earlier in Bhashya also it is given, means sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna. Sattva guna will give sukham, rajo guna will give dukkham, tamo guna will give moha. And uttama, madhyama, adhama, this is also three gunatmaka. Karma phalanam कर्मोद्भव अभिभवकृत विशेष संभवाच्य. When the karmas have variety, karma phala also will have variety because they are karma udbhava. यथोक्तो विशेषः संभवति इत्यर्थः. This kind of vishesha is there. So in case of Charvak Matam, these vishesha sambandhas are not possible. Why? Why do they say vishesha sambandhas are not possible? Because whatever my transactions are there right now, to that it will be limited. Outside of that, there is no scope because they don't accept that there is some other adrishta jivatma or atindriya jivatma who has karma, etc., etc. Purvapakshi says, Parapakshe api tathaiva vishesha syat iti ashangya. Parapaksha means in Charvak Paksha also there will be such vishesha. He says, no, they will not have. Why? It is sanghat matra, natu sanghat matre संबंध कर्म फल भेद अनुपपत्तेर विशेषो युक्तः. So you have to read like this: संघात मात्रे संबंध कर्म फल भेद अनुपपत्ते विशेषो न युक्तः. In this way. टीका explains that. नहीं तत्र स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्वादयः संबंध विशेषाः कर्म फल भेदो वा युज्यते. तत्र, तत्र means in case of that Charvak Matam, Sanghata itself is bhokta. When you accept that, स्वकर्म आरभ्यत्वादयः संबंध विशेषाः कर्म फल भेदो वा न युज्यते. They will not be there. संघातवादिना अतीन्द्रिय कर्म अनंगीकारात्, because संघातवादी does not accept such karma. So no such अतीन्द्रिय कर्म फल will be there. अतः संघात मात्रे भोक्तरी प्रतिबोधे विशेष असिद्धिरित्यर्थः. Therefore in संघात matre, if you say there is bhokta, vishesha siddhi will not happen. Ityartha. Further in टीका, शब्द स्पर्शादीनां पटुत्वम अतिपटुत्वम मान्द्यम अतिमान्द्यम इति एवं आदिना कृतो विशेषो बोधे दृश्यते सोपि संघातवादे न सिद्ध्यति इत्याह. the Shabda, Sparsha, etc., they will have Patutvam, Apatutvam. Means they are sometimes very clear, they are not clear. Mandyam, Atimandyam, they are Manda. So their cognition is very mild or little. Sometimes it is very clear. इति एवं आदिना कृतो विशेषो बोधे दृश्यते सोपि संघातवादे न सिद्ध्यति इति आह. So तत्कृत विशेषो बोधे in their jnanam drishyate, in sanghatavada that also will not be there. त्याह तथा इति तथा शब्दादि पटु मान्द्यादि कृतश्च शब्दादि पटु मान्द्यादि कृतश्च what given in tika ayukta iti yavat means vishesho ayukta. In bhashya in tika चकारो विशेष अनुकर्षणार्थ. So chakara says vishesha and ayukta you have to add. So it will become shabdadi patu mandyadi kritascha vishesho ayukta. Means this whole discussion is trying to address Charvak Purva Paksha. This current discussion. That what will happen if you don't accept that there is some other Chaitanya. Sanghata itself is Chaitanya. So in other places, the Khandanam is done in different way. But here the Khandanam is done based on this topic that is going on of Peshana, Apeshana. मा तर्हि प्रतिबोधे विशेषो भूत इति आशंका है. Okay, then in pratibodha may there be no vishesha. Vishesho ma bhut इति आशंका है. अस्ति च अयम विशेषो यस्मात् स्पर्श मात्रेण अप्रतिबुध्यमानं पुरुषं सुप्तं पाणिना आपिष्य बोधयांचकार अजात शत्रु. So Ajata Shatru must have just touched that person. He didn't wake up. Apishya. So he shook him and then he woke up. And until he woke up, he went on. Like it happens, some people who are in deep sleep. Some people are very light sleeper. Some sound, they will wake up. And some people, it depends on what time of the night also. When it's about time for you to wake up, you will wake up. बोधयांचकार अजात शत्रु. विशेष दर्शन फलम आह. So what is the vishesha? Only sparsha did not wake him up, but apishya means apeshanam woke him up. Tasmat ya apeshanena pratibubudhe ज्वलन्निव स्फुरन्निव कुतश्चित् आगत इव पिंडंच पूर्व विपरीतम बोध चेष्टाकार विशेषादिमत्वेन आपादयन सो अन्यो अस्ति. Therefore यह आपेषणेन प्रतिबुबुधे what is the lakara? Lit lakara. बुध धातु. ज्वलन इव स्फुरन इव कुतश्चित् आगत. As if from somewhere else like a lightning something has come. कुतश्चित् आगतः. इव पिंडम च पूर्व विपरीतम. And the pinda was now after the apeshanam, pinda is different. It acts differently. बोध चेष्टाकार विशेषादिमत्वेन आपादयन सो अन्यो अस्ति गार्ग्य अभिमत ब्रह्मभ्यो व्यतिरिक्त इति. बोध चेष्टाकार विशेषादिमत्वेन आपादयन. So the one who has this bodha, this kind of jnanam, who was shaken in this way, bodhasya cheshtacha akarasya iti bodha cheshtakara. Bodha cheshtakara visheshaha. They all are vishesha. Bodha means some jnanam, cheshta. Akara means expression here. बोध चेष्टाकार विशेषादि मत्वेन आपादयन सो अन्यो अस्ति. That is anya. Anya means from sanghata. सो अन्यो अस्ति. गार्ग्य अभिमत ब्रह्मभ्यो व्यतिरिक्त. गार्ग्य अभिमत ब्रह्म different from that is this व्यतिरिक्त. Means it is different from sanghata. And if you accept prana as part of sanghata, then when you say it is different from sanghata, that means it is different from prana. Prana was the one which is gargya abhimata brahma. So it is different from that also. Iti siddham. टीका आदि शब्देन गुणादि गृह्यते. बोध चेष्टा आकार विशेषादि. आदि मीन्स गुण also. अन्यः संघातात् इति शेषः. अन्य संघातात् अन्यः. टीका देहादेर अनात्मत्वम उक्त्वा. मीन्स देह इज नॉट आत्मा. Because all the varieties of anubhava that are there would not have been there. And when the person is shaken, so then how he wakes up? Otherwise, if sanghata is there, right? You just call him by that name, he would have woken up. Peshanam, apeshanam would not have made any difference if there was no other Chaitanya. Sanghata itself is Chaitanya. But here, so what he is showing, Sanghata is there. But there is somebody who is as if coming out of something and expressing. Like what we generally say, this experiencer who is in Hridaya Desha and he comes out. Now he is awake. Because in Sushupti there is laya of all this in Hridaya. So this is different. When it was not, the calling by the names, etc., nothing happened. When he was shaken, that ahankar is now available or bhokta is available, suddenly expression is different. देहादेर अनात्मत्व मुक्त्वा प्राणस्य प्राणस्य नहीं प्राणस्य अनात्मत्वे हेत्वंतरम आह. संहतत्वाच्च पारार्थ्य उपपत्ति प्राणस्य. Samhata means those which are the avayavas of sanghata, they are called samhata. Like if a griha is there, griha is called sanghata, and the stambhadi, the pillars, etc., they are called samhata. Pillar, door, window, walls, ceiling, etc. Samhatatvacha pranasya. Prana is part of nisanghata. Prana is also one of the member. And therefore, pararthyam. Pararthyam means parasya artham is for something else. Prana is also for the sake of somebody else. पारार्थ्य उपपत्ति ही प्राणस्य. गृहस्य स्तंभादिवत् शरीरस्य अंतः उपष्टंभकः प्राणः शरीरादिभिः संहत इति अवोचम्. गृहस्य स्तंभादिवत् शरीरस्य अंतः उपष्टंभकः प्राणः शरीरादिभिः संहत इव. For a house which is like sanghata, stambha is like samhata. Stambhadivat, grihasya stambhadivat, sharirasya antah upashtambhakah. This prana is like a pillar, one of the support. Shariradibihi samhata. It is samhata along with shariradi. Ika. Pranasya grihadivat pararthi api. No, sorry. Hetum sadhayati grihasya. Hetu, it is explained through this reasoning. दृष्टांत is given. यथा नेमिहि अरराश्च मिथः संहन्यन्ते तथैव यथा नेमिहि अराश्च मिथः संहन्यन्ते तथैव प्राणस्य संहतिरित्याह. नेमिहि, nemi means the circumference and the aras are there, and the middle portion is nabhi ara nemi. So nemihi arascha parasparam mithaha parasparam samhanyante. They become the sanghata. Tathaiva pranasya samhatihi. In the same way, prana also is part of the sanghata. Ityaha. Ara nemi vaccha. What is the nabhi sthaniya? It is given, see in tika. Kincha. Prane nabhi sthaniye sarvam samarpitam इति श्रूयते. दिस इज इन छांदोग्य. तद्युक्तम तस्य संहतत्वम इत्याह. सो प्राण इज पार्ट ऑफ संघात. Means here Shruti is quoted. This is Narad Sanat Kumar Samvada. But you ourselves we can understand. Prana, Prana, Apana, etc. They are part of this Sanghata. In Vedanta Mata, Sanghata is not only Sthula Sanghata. Sukshma Sharira is also part of Sanghata. In Charvak Mata, Sanghata was limited to Sthula. But Prana, this Prana Apana, the air that comes and goes, is not Pranamaya Kosha. Pranamaya Kosha is the Vyapara of this Prana, which is not seen through the, or not known to the Indriyas. That Vyapara is Prana. Huh? No, in Vedanta Mata. Charvak Mata, they don't separate Prana. In Vivek Chudamani, how it is given? Swayameva Vritti Bhedat Vikriti Bhedat for Prana. So Vritti means that Vartanam, Vyavahara is bhinna, and Pranamaya Kosha is part of Sukshma Sharira. So only what is belonging to Annamaya, that is Indriya Gochara. So if we say the air is going in, the air is coming out, this is Pranapana, etc. This is not Pranapana. This is belonging to Sthula Sharira part. It is only indicator of something else going on within your body, which is part of Sukshma Sharira. Pancha Prana, that we see when you use the word Pancha Prana. If somebody says Vyana, where do you know where is Vyana? Where is Samana? So we will give some location, right? In Nabhi or Sarva Shariravarti, etc. But that is only based on Shastra Pramana. You cannot say, yes, it is going on everywhere or it is here. There is no pratyaksha of that. So it is not part of Sthula Sharira. Even Indriyas are not part of Sthula Sharira. Only Indriya Golakas are seen. टीका किंच प्राणे नाभिस्थानीये सर्वं समर्पितम् इति श्रूयते तद्युक्तं तस्य संहतत्वम् इत्याह. नाभि इति नाभिस्थानीय एतस्मिन् सर्वम् इति च. संहतत्व फलम आह. संहतत्व मीन्स प्राणस्य संहतत्वम तस्य फलम. What are you accomplishing by proving that prana is part of this sanghata? Prana is part of this assembly, means prana is anatma. So this is what is accomplished. Tasmad grihadivat स्व अवयव समुदाय जातीय व्यतिरिक्तार्थम संहन्यत इति एवं अवगच्छामः. गृहादिवत् स्व अवयव समुदाय जातीय व्यतिरिक्तार्थम संहन्यन्ते. Sanghata is meant for something which is Swa Avayava Samudaya Jati Vyatirikta. Like the house is there, Is the house meant for ceiling? No. Is house meant for the doors or windows? No. House is meant for somebody who is not part of the house. That person who is going to own the house, that Chaitanya, who has the freedom to walk out. This is the main thing. What happens in Sanghata does not affect this Bhokta. Like what happens to house? If you add half a kilo cement in the house, then nothing happens to us. If something falls in the house, then nothing happens. You are free. Even if house gets burned, nothing happens. So like that, Sanghata, anything happens to Sanghata, I am not part of this. This is one very important thing. It means Sanghata Vikar. I have the freedom to walk out of this whenever I want. I am asanga from Sanghata. So these 2-3 points, if we think, that itself is enough. So here also, Grihadivat, Swa Avayava Samudaya, all these Avayavas which are there of the Griha, Samudaya Jatiya Vyatiriktartham Samhanyante. They all have come together for somebody who is different from this or different from them. What are the avayavas? See, pranasya grihadivat pararthi api samhata sheshitvam एषितव्यम गृहादेः तथा दर्शनात् इति आशंका. Let's say prana is pranasya grihadivat pararthi api samhata sheshitvam एषितव्यम. There it is still part of sanghata. Samhata sheshi. Sheshi means the one for whom the sanghata is. It can be there, he is saying. Even though prana is for parartha, it still can be sheshi. Sanghata is the shesha. Samhata sheshitvam eshitavyam grihadehe tatha darshanat. In grihadi it is seen. So what is said here? Prana is for something else. Pararthyam. Pararthyapi samhata sheshitvam eshitavyam. That it is sheshi of the sanghata, means it is one of the beneficiary. Let's say there are two bhoktas, or prana is the bhokta, even if it is part of the sanghata. Why not? Tatha darshanat grahadehe. So Siddhanti says, Stambha Kudya Trina Kasthadi Grihavayavana Swatma Janmopachaya Apachaya Vinasha Nama Akriti Karya Dharma Nirapeksha Labdha Sattadi Tad Vishaya Drashtri Shrotri Mantri Vignatra Arthatvam Drashtva Manyamahe Tat Sanghatasya Cha तथा प्राणादि अवयवानां तत्संगातस्य च स्वात्म जन्म उपचय अपचय विनाशानां विनाशनामाकृति कार्य धर्म निरपेक्ष लब्ध सत्ता दित द्विषय दृष्टि श्रोत्र मंत्र विज्ञात्र अर्थत्वं भवितुम् अर्हति इति. We can see this sentence in the following session. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।